Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. This day is 11 November 2021. I'm going to doing activity fishing here, and the water looks in the middle between high tide and recede. And the water looks calm, the wave not so high this morning. The weather look sunny, but over there a lot of cloud, so not of the sky is clear, but on the right side clear and the left side cloudy. I already bought shrimps at as bait, and I also already bought some cake for breakfast. And the rocks looks wet because of the rain, I think, last night. And this is my chair 2 days ago. I'm fishing here, and I'm going to sit down here again this morning. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment under this video. My fishing rod already broken here. I need to change by new one. This this bar for rolling the strings, the string. Okay, Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And see you my next video. I'm going to